talaga. Wala talaga tayong swerte sa waiting na yan. Para lang yan yung sugal na waiting. Walang swerte. No? Walang tao. Yan. Yan ang totoo. Walang people. Walang gustong manood. Ayan. Ang sawa niya sa mukha natin. Okay? So, walay. Kaya, walay. Sobrang init ngayon. Kaya walay. Hi! Hi, Daddy Tony. Shout out, Daddy Tony. You hit the like? Really? Oh, thank you so much. It's really thank you. Thank you so much.